guys, so I literally just finished doing a Temu haul part 1. I told you guys that I'm thinking I'm going to try and shoot for 4 Temu hauls for the month of January for you guys. And let me just tell you, I got some good finds. Like a ton of jewelry in the last haul. And then I found these really cute shoes. If you've never heard of Temu, well, this is going to be the video for you. If you're new to the channel, hello and welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here we embrace the hot mess. It's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, unbox, play, talk, do the things. And of course, my lipstick will be linked down below for you guys if you guys are interested in that. But if you've never heard of Temu, Temu is actually an app that you can download. They're constantly adding new things all the time. They have lightning deals and things are so affordable. You just can't help yourself but to go from fashion and beauty to outdoor decor to, I don't know, kids fun toys. Everything is over there at Temu. And you guys know my whole beauty room was decked out for Christmas in all pink, and all of my decor was from Temu. So let's go ahead and jump into it because ooh, mama's got a lot of stuff. Okay, so the first thing I got was this really cute little lint roller. You guys know I'm always thinking of goodie bags, so if I travel or anything, I will make goodie bags sometimes for the flight attendants, and I'll put little different things like eye masks, face masks. This would be a great little thing that I would definitely put in the bag. It's a little cute lint roller. So I'm definitely going to go back and pick up some extra of these because you can never have enough, you know, like you never know. We're back with jewelry because I love the jewelry so much. I know I can't. I can't. The jewelry is so good. So this is like a little wedding set in a size 6. I know you guys are probably saying, Rhonda, you said you were going to chill out on that. I know. But I'm a Gemini, so I feel like it's okay to like change my mind. It's kind of something I feel like people just expect. So I got it in a size 6. It is a 2-piece set. It does sit up higher, just FYI for those of you that aren't like into the higher settings. But this is really pretty. I love, love, love. This is really not my favorite one, but I do think it's nice that you have options here. We've got nice little channel set on the sides of this band, and then it's got like a center stone. That's really unique. I like that. And then it sits up, and then it has like this little accent detail on both sides. And then of course you've got this, I don't know, I really like it, guys. And see, you've got the detail there too. Huge shout out to Temu for letting me pick these things out and continuing to work with me in 2024. I greatly appreciate it. You guys know I love the deals when it comes to Temu's. They've got free returns, they have price adjustment, and they have free shipping. So I'm always thinking ahead. So here's a cute little, like for Easter decor. And I felt like this would be good to show you guys that some of you guys, if you're really crafty, me not so much, but my mom is, and she likes to make wreaths and everything, and I felt like this would be really cute. I'm gonna pop it in as like decor in my background in my beauty room. But if you guys do any types of arts and crafts and you make wreaths and stuff, Temu has a ton of great crafting products that I would definitely check out. Once again, I thought these were so cute. I have the large size of these clips, and I thought, oh my gosh, say less when I saw that they had the tiny ones. All right, so it's a little pack of 8. I was like, there's no way, there's got to be more. They're tiny little hair clips, and I sometimes like to just bret my hair on the sides, you know. So these are so cute. They're perfect colors for the spring and summer. So I got some that were darker ones that were larger, and I've worn them in the past in some of my videos. These have really good grips. And of course, I'm always thinking of goodie bags. This would be really cute to put into like birthday goodie bags or what have you. So thank you. Next in here, I got another clip. I love this. I love colors. Like I thought this was so precious. It's just a hair clip, but it's a hair clip that just makes me so doggone happy. Like the hair clips are good, y'all. Like look how cute this is. How cute would that look in like an Easter basket as well? And it's not like chintzy. It doesn't feel like those little flowers are gonna fall off at all. This, of course, is something that I thought would be a good, like if you I talk about it all the time, like making like little stuff in mason jars, like putting candy in a mason jar, and then you need a little tag for it. So it's like little Valentines, and it comes with a little bag and little stickies and the little baggies, and then you've got like the little twine. But how cute is that? Happy Valentine's to and from, and then it folds up and you can like tape it to whatever. But I mean, you just can't beat it. And you get a total of 24. So you could deck out somebody's whole classroom. I love that. But once again, if you're a crafter, I feel like these would be really cute as well to put on whatever you're crafting. Like if you do candles or something like that, to give people ideas for at your craft event. Like, happy Valentine's Day to you, and you've got that on there. Perfect. Okay, so I found these shoes. These are cute little slip-on shoes, and I got them in a size 40, I do believe. Yes, like, I don't know about y'all, but back when I was a kid, okay, I would go to like Payless, and I would get things in every color, because like literally they were like 10 bucks a shoe. So I mean, these are perfect. So, and I feel like with these, you don't have to feel bad about getting like a whole variety of colors and everything, because they're so inexpensive. That's another thing that I like Temu about. Like, if you like it, you can get it in another color so, and not feel bad about it. So they're cute little slip-ons. Let me take off my sock. I'm not going to show you my toes because got some weirdos on the interwebs. Oh yeah. Okay, so the 40 fits perfectly. These are really cute. You've got a nice sole on the bottom. And here's the thing, I typically wear a 7.5 to an 8. And I told you guys in the last video, if things are like pointed, I normally go ahead and size to a 7.5. But with Temu, I have realized that a 40 shoe typically is the shoe size that I need. And it fits me like a size 8. That's where I was going with that. Sorry, I got a lot of things on my mind. We'll talk about it and get ready with me. All right, next in here, I thought these were really cute because it never fails. I'll be out and about and my sunglasses need clean, and then I start trying to clean them and then it just smears the oil. So these are literally glass cleaners. You see that? You just pinch them right on the lens and you can clean your glasses. Handy dandy, I know. I'm pretty excited about it. So it's a little 2-pack, and it's almost like a hard paper towel or something in there. And you just slide the lens in, and then it's the random finds, guys. It's the random finds. And yes, I will use this. I'm actually going to put one in my car and probably one in my purse. So we've got more jewelry, because would it be a Rhonda haul, Temu haul, without a bunch of jewelry? Probably not. Ooh, okay, so if you like two-tone jewelry, I think you're gonna like this. I got this in a size 7. This is so cute and dainty. So it's kind of like a rose gold and silver two-tone. I love that. It's so nice and dainty. It's got like kind of a paved channel. No, more of a small channel set in there. And it's like a knot. I really like that. Okay, next in here, we've got a necklace. Ooh, it's like a layered necklace. Okay, can I just tell you guys, I like fashion jewelry because I'm very hard on my jewelry. You guys know for the longest time, I wasn't wearing my mother's necklace that my son got me, and a lot of you guys were in my comments like, put that on. And I'm like, you're right. I broke it. I've already broke it like the first year he gave it to me. And I went and I had it fixed, and I no sooner got it fixed and started wearing it again, and then I broke my collarbone, and then I couldn't handle things around my neck. But anyways, I like picking stuff up from Temu because I'm so hard on my jewelry. I don't have to feel bad if I do happen to break it. And the nice thing with the Temu, especially like this one, they're so crazy affordable. Like a couple dollars affordable. Like, I love that. And they had so many different options. So yeah, save your coin. Just get your fashion jewelry straight from Temu. I got another ring, which I know I have this already in like the ruby, but I picked it up in the sapphire shade because I thought it was so pretty. And look at this. I know a lot of you guys picked up the ruby one. Did you guys also pick it up in the sapphire? Do they have emerald? I don't think they have emerald. I want it in emerald too. I love this. I used to work at Service Merchandise back in the day, and I remember seeing things similar to this, and I love the fact that Temu makes jewelry that is literally like jewelry that I was obsessed with but could not afford back when I worked at Service Merchandise. Okay, we've got another bio. Okay guys, had to take a brief intermission. My baby child came home. Alright, so the next thing in here is, I have no idea. As always, everything's going to be linked and listed down below for you guys. If there's any coupons or whatnot, I will have them down there. If by chance I happen to forget something, just leave me a comment. I'll do my best to... Oh my... What is this? I will do my best to get you guys a link. Okay, it's something with Valentine's Day. Okay, so it's Decor. It's skewers, I think. But see, they're like little toothpicks. I'm like pretty sure they're like for if you have a cheese tray and you just your cheese and you know what I'm saying? I think it's that. But they're like freaking adorable. And we're gonna have a little shindig, so I'm definitely gonna use these because see, I don't know if you guys can see the bottoms of them. It's got like a poker. I am pretty sure this is like for a charcuterie board, and how freaking precious is that? I mean, that's good quality too. I like that. Next in here, I picked out a pair of boots, and they're just really cute little white cowgirl boots. So these are in a size 39. How cute are those? If you're fancy, you could do like a diamond thing on them. Have you seen the people that take this print and they do diamond art on it? I'm not one of those people. Like I told you guys in past videos, I'm not super crafty. So let's put them on. Oh yeah. Those are cute. They totally, you know, I'm not far from Nashville. Ooh. I like those a lot. They're comfortable. 39 fits perfectly for my 7.5 to like 8 size foot. And FYI, these are like under 12 bucks. How cute. I love these. I am so excited over these. I've got these in pink. I've got them in denim. I just feel like you never know when you need something like that. And like FYI, Haley's getting married this year. And how cute would this be if she wants to borrow them for like a bridal shower or bachelorette party or whatever, and she could be dolled up in all white and wear little cowgirl boots. Like that would be so cute. I don't know if she's going to Nashville or not for it, but in case she is, Mama's got her. Okay, I got her. All right, moving on. We've got, no way, it's a set. Oh my, how freaking cute is that? Okay, so you've got little like keychain thingies, and it comes with a lid and it comes with a straw. Oh my gosh, I'm back to thinking of different little goodie bags. I mean, you could literally put the last haul that I did, I picked up a set of these little clips and then put like a little lint roller. This was like 69 cents or something. It's a 2-pack, by the way. It is a 2-pack, and you could literally make the cutest little keys. Okay, I'm so excited. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm really excited about this. So, and it comes in a little box, and it's called it's color changing. It's color changing. I am so excited, guys. So it shows when it's cold, when it's hot, they'll change color. Oh my gosh, these are going to make amazing gifts. I am so excited over this. So yeah, I'll put those together. Okay, and then we have one more thing, and we've got the decorative lamp. I feel like this was something that my kids picked out, maybe. How cute is that? It takes batteries, so you got to put batteries in there, and then it's got like a little, wait, no, look at that. You can actually charge it, plug it in. How How cute is that? Okay guys, so that was everything for my Temu haul part 2 for January 2024. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know your favorite item. There are so many good gift ideas that we found in today's video. Like I said, everything's going to be listed and linked down below for you guys, and coupon codes and everything that are available will be down in my description box. I'll pin it in my comment section for you guys as well. Thank you once again to my YouTube members for helping to support the channel. Thanks to those of you clicking the thanks button and tipping and donating to the channel. Thank you to Temu for continuing to work with your girl in 2024. I greatly appreciate it. You guys know I am on the app all the time, so definitely make sure to download the Temu app, check out all the deals that they have, and like I said, they have free shipping, free returns, and free price adjustments. You just can't beat it. So anyways friends, until next time, check me out on my other channels. Hotmess Momma vlogs for curvy girl fashion hauls over there, Hotmess in the kitchen. Of course, check out our podcast Unconditional Hot Mess. We're also found over on Spotify. If you like my lipstick, it is the Sophie Kelly times Ophir Cosmetics collab. Code HOTMESS will save you 20% over there. I'm on TikTok and Instagram at Hotmess Momma 4. And until next time, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.